Hello, everyone. Again, this is Eric, KJ4YZI with HamRadioConcepts. Talking about the new beacons. That's right. A whole new way to use a new beacon system compared to what you've been using all these years listening to that CW beacon. How do you know when 6 meters is open? How do you know when people are on the band and you should tune in to listen? Let me show you a simple trick here. This is called FT8. And FT8, to mine, as far as I'm concerned, is your new beacon because it's constantly active. Now, here's what I do. Let's say I'm listening for 6 meters. What I do is I turn my radio to 50.313, which is the FT8 frequency. And guess what? Today I hear lots and lots of FT8. Listen to it. You know what that means? That means the band is open. So you scroll down here to sideband. Oh, look. There's 6 meters. This is Kilo Juliet 4, Yankee Zulu India. All right, I am Echo Lima 971 Delta, South Florida. Over. Okay. Chances are, I can guarantee you this. If you have it on 50.313 and you hear nothing, 6 meters is not open. That is a proven fact that if you don't hear FT8, the band is not open. So I leave it on FT8. And as soon as I hear those little squealing sounds come in, I know the band is open. And I know it's time to go down and call CQ on phone portion or even CW. Now, this same can be had with just about every single band. Let me show you something. All right, down here, I have the same thing going. Here's 10 meters. Watch this. All right, that is FT8 on 10 meters. Guess what? 10 meters is open. If you hear FT8 on 28.074, 10 meters is open. Now watch. Oh my gosh, there's signals. Oh my gosh, 10 meters is open. Yep. How about 15? Yep. There's some FT8 on 15 meters. They're in there. I hear them. Let's go down to, oh my gosh, 20 meters. Don't sit here and tell me 20 is not open. Listen to it. Now watch this. All kinds of CW. '20's open. How about 40? '40 may not be open right now. Let's see. There we go. So I have some 40 meter action here. But the rule can apply that if you're monitoring 50.313 on 6 meters, that is your new beacon. Throw every other beacon away and erase the information because it does you no good listening for a CW beacon anymore because FT8 is where it's always at. Hope this 5-minute video gave you a little insight on how to chase 6 meters with these new beacons and other bands as well, 10, 15, 20, etc. 7-3 from KJ4YZI.